So the process to log out Instagram from other devices without changing the password is quite easy and simple. Uh, just go and open up your Instagram app. Once that is open, tap on the profile icon at the right bottom corner. The process is same for Android as well as iPhone. Now go and tap on the three lines at the right top corner. This should open up settings and privacy. Once you are inside here, you need to go to Account Center at the top. Tap on Account Center. Inside here, you need to go and scroll a bit. And under Account Settings, you have Password and Security. Tap on Password and Security. Inside here, at the bottom, you have Security Checks. And inside it, the first option is where you are logged in. Tap on this. Now you have to select your Instagram account for which you want to log out from other devices. And here you are. Now you need to go and tap on the device from which you want to log out. You have information for location, the date, and the time. For example, this one. Just go and tap on logout, logout. And now from that device, you are logged out. You need to again go back to password and security where you're logged in. Tap on this. And if you want to log out from other devices, again, tap on that device. And again, you have an option of logout. So, hope by doing so, you'll be able to uh, log out from other devices without changing the password. But before you go, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.